My story is about how we went to the pool and in front of there's lemonade and unicorns flying on the sky and butterflies everywhere. And it was so much fun. And we got to swim everywhere. What's your story?
My story was when I went to school, I was playing basketball.
That's all?
Had headphones. And I took it and threw it in the hoop. I did it. I got 1 star. And I went when it was time. When it was free time, I got to play and mommy picked me up. But everyone else went home first and then mommy picked me up. And I got to play every single toy in every single playground in free time. And this is me. That's my shirt.
Always use your imagination.
What is that rainbow thing?
This is my ice cream floating and a donut floating in the pool. And I always use my imagination like the unicorns and flowers and lemonade in my story. Davensky used the basketball and mommy picked him up late as his imagination in every single playground.